Okay, we have an update on the missing Google Assistant for your Galaxy Watch 4. Yes, we do. And of course, welcome back, my beautiful people of the internet. And I know what you are saying. And let me stop you right here. I hear you loud and clear, because it should have been here by now, and there's no discussion around it. And of course we are talking about the unfulfilled promise by Samsung of the Google Assistant for your Galaxy Watch 4, and many of you guys have based their purchasing decision on that promise. Well, look, lo and behold, our Google Assistant will be rolled out within the next coming update. And sorry, how do we know this? Well, check this out. Verizon in the US accidentally leaked a screenshot of what you should be seeing when you go to the following menu. You open up your app shelf, you go to settings, you will see that you now have a dedicated Google field. You press on it, you go in, and here you can add and or remove your Google accounts. So far, so good. Now let's have a look at this mysterious screenshot Verizon just leaked, by accident of course. Well, you can see here that another option has been added to enable the voice command, "Hey Google." What is interesting though is that Verizon in the US claims that this update has begun to roll out. And of course, it didn't take long for a lot of people to notice what is going on and what is happening here. And they simply inquired about it. And just as this leak appeared, my wearable app on my Galaxy S22 Ultra just received another update today, which we know is an indication for more to come. And if this wasn't enough to confuse the heck out of us, well, Verizon has now noticed its mistake by leaking this footage and has pulled the image and the claim of this update entirely. The entire listing of what they shared on their website is basically gone now because people inquired about it. And the best thing is yet to come. Now they are saying, well, you know what? Google Assistant is not coming to the Galaxy Watch 4, which we know is of course not the case. What are you doing, Verizon? But at least now we know where to look for the coming Google Assistant.